People who are watching this might as well think, is she crazy? Held my hand and tore it to pieces. I have no idea why this tag is still there. Why is it not? It's pretty expensive and I don't want to buy it again. Hello everyone, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video where we both get to explore new things. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Pranjali Bose and I am a budding content creator as well as a software developer. It's been a while since I've actually sat down and had an interactive session with you guys. I really hope that 2024 was good to you and hope that 2025 be even better. I am extremely excited for this video because today I'm going to be sharing my 24 favorites from 2024 that I'll be taking to 2025 as well, from skincare, body care, hair care, makeup, gadgets, as well as my favorite series and songs, which I'm going to share with you guys. So without any delay, let us get straight into the video. Starting off with my skincare favorites, this product had to be the first one, and this is the Simple Face Wash. I am not somebody who was born with the perfect skin. Ever since I started using this face wash, my life has completely changed. I have been recommending this face wash to so many of my friends and cousins. There have been so many times that I've not used a makeup remover, but just used this to remove my makeup. I could be the brand ambassador for Simple. So Simple, if you're watching this, do take notes because I am absolutely obsessed with this face wash and definitely going to carry it forward in 2025 as well. Next one is actually a routine, not just one product, it's 4 products together. It is this range right here from Plix. This is not sponsored at all. Fun fact, I did get these products for a collab from Plix. Even after the products that were sent from PR were over, I did go onto the Plix site and purchased all these 4 again. Generally follow this regime in this order. First, I use the Jamun Active Acne Juicy Cleanser, which contains salicylic acid, betaine and azelaic acid. Next, I use the Jamun Clarifying Fruity Toner, which contains 2% salicylic acid, zinc and niacinamide. Next comes the Plix Jamun Acne Marks Treatment Dewy Serum. And at the end, I go for the Plix Jamun Active Acne Smoothie Moisturizer. Right after I had posted the reel for Plix, I got a lot of DMs and a lot of my friends even came up to me and asked me if it was actually worth the try. It has worked very, very well for me. A lot of times what happens is you might get rid of the acne but not the acne marks. But I tried implementing this entire regime for about like 3-4 weeks consistently. The pigmentation, acne marks, dark spots, all the 3 of them, they kind of reduced considerably. Of course, if we are talking about skincare, how can I not talk about a sunscreen? My favorite sunscreen from 2024 has got to be the Silverdene Luxury Sun Protégé. I use pretty much every day. It has got a very thin texture, extremely light on your skin, does not leave a white cast. I think I've carried it to every 2024 travel destinations that I've been to. So I think this is something I'm definitely going to carry forward in 2025 as well. Coming to body care products, this has got to be the first body care product, the first body care 2024 favorite that I'm going to show you guys. This is the Indulge Essentials Hermosa Body Oil. Again, a PR product that I had received from Indulge Essentials. Up until 2024, I was not somebody who really applied body oils in general, but 2024 changed it. Indulge Essentials Hermosa Body Oil changed it for me because I think ever since I started applying it, I could see my skin getting softer. I generally like spraying it all over my body right after shower on damp skin. A, it has got a beautiful fragrance, and B, it leaves a beautiful glow on your skin too. People have got to ask you, what's the glow about? But it's this body oil. Next up in this body care favorites list is the Be Body Wise 1% Salicylic Acid Body Wash. I remember using it at my best friend's house when I was staying over at hers for a sleepover. Absolutely blown away by the fragrance. It exfoliates dead skin cells and also prevents body acne. So I am all for this one. So much so that I've also passed it on to my sister who is also using this one and absolutely love this. The next body care favorite was again a PR product from a brand called Be Logical. It is the Be Logical Lactic Acid Body Lotion. I am ready to purchase more of these. Honestly, I do not prefer those body lotions which have a very strong fragrance, but this one's got a very, very mild smell to it and it is so refreshing, so easy to even apply. I mean, oh god, the fragrance is to die for. I love it. Seems like I really have received products that I've ended up loving from PR. And now that we are done with skincare and body care, let's move on to hair care. Among the first hair care favorite that I have from 2024 is the L'Oreal Absolute Repair Professional Mask. I remember the salon people actually recommending it to me every time that I went for a hair spa. Recommended that I should switch from a conditioner to a hair mask. I mean, I could see a visible change in my hair, something that has definitely helped my hair become silkier, I guess. Yeah, definitely a favorite from 2024. The second hair care fave from 2024 is the Bare Anatomy Ultra Smoothing Hair Serum. I cannot take credit for this because this is something my sister introduced me to. Right after I do my shampoo and mask, I come out and this is the first thing that I apply on my damp hair. It does two things. One, it will make your hair frizz free, which generally is the problem after a hair wash day. Number two, it kind of also works as a hair perfume, gives off such a refreshing fragrance that I am in love with this one. Also kind of works as a good heat protector. Now we move on to my favorite segment, that's the makeup favorites. So many makeup favorites from 2024 that I have kind of cherry picked the best and my most favorite from 2024. I am not a foundation girly. If you've seen my Get Ready With Me videos, you've already noticed that foundation is not something I go ahead with until and unless it's a big event. Is the Mamaearth Hydra Glow Full Coverage Foundation, which contains vitamin C in it. It's in the shade Caramel Glow 06. That's my shade. Again, this is something that I also received from Mamaearth as PR. Still, I'm not somebody who uses foundation on a daily basis. Rather, I don't like using that. However, realized it does oxidize a little bit. I think I fell in love with this one mostly because of the shade match. Till date, I have not found a foundation shade that completely matches mine. I guess it was worth a try. It is full coverage, creamy and dewy finish to it, which I absolutely love. If you guys know any foundation that has worked for you guys, do comment down. It definitely could use some help. Next product is probably my sixth or seventh purchase in 2024. The Swiss Beauty Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Grey Black. An absolute fan of this product. I have also kind of applied it right now and you can see how defined it makes your eyebrows look. It is my ride or die. I do not leave my house without applying this one. So yes, I mean, I don't know how many more I'll be buying of this one. Swiss Beauty, great job with the eyebrow product. Something that I think I'll be carrying on for 2025, 6, 7, I don't know how much longer. But yes, I mean, I also do recommend this one if you're looking for a good eyebrow product. I was in search of a good affordable eyeliner for a long time in 2024 because I was using the Too Faced one before that and it was pretty expensive, honestly. And it was becoming a little difficult to purchase it every time that I was running out of it. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Liner, ink liner that I remember my two school best friends, Anushka and Vasudha, they gifted it to me in 2024 on my 2024 birthday. Thank you guys if you're watching this. I have loved it. Even my sister loves it, so it's a win-win. So basically, it's a pen and very, very easy to use. Easily does the wing. The next product might probably even be one of my most favorite products, and it is the Romand Lasting Water Tint. Shade that I am crazy about is 05 Rose Splash. Also not seen a lot of content creators or influencers talk about this one. I don't know why. Perfect dewy lip or cheek tint. Even if you're not applying anything on your face, just the sunscreen and this, and you're good to go. It's also my travel essential. It's always in my bag and won't leave my house without my Romand Lasting Water Tint. And since we're already talking about blushes and tints, how can I miss out my most favorite Pixi On The Glow Cream Blush in the shade Ruby? I think it was a Nykaa haul video where I showed this product and shared how obsessed I had become about this one right after I started using it. The shade is exactly what I have been looking for. Not too light for me, it's not too heavy. Correct pigmentation, gives you an instant glow. I'm somebody who prefers a cream blush to a powder blush. I'm not a big fan of powder blushes, honestly. So this kind of works exactly like I expect it to. And since we're already in makeup, how can I not talk about my favorite lipstick of 2024? Hero Beauty 4Play Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Ultimate Quad. Brown toned shades. 4 shades. You don't have to carry 4 different shades of lipstick sticks with you while traveling. All the four shades are absolutely amazing for Indian skin tone as well. Personal favorite is the first shade though. And of course, we all know that lip gloss trend is back, and thank God it is, because I am a sucker for lip glosses. There's so many amazing lip glosses that are out there right now. The gloss that kind of sticks onto me and that has won my heart over and over again is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow 01. I'm also wearing right now. It's long lasting. You don't have to apply it again and again and again. It's everything that I require in a lip gloss, honestly. It makes your skin glow instantly. I don't know how, but it does. I mean, a gloss can make all the changes to your makeup, honestly, I feel. The Maybelline Lifter Gloss could also be a dupe to the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs. I really hope I don't run out of this soon because it's pretty expensive and I don't want to buy it again, but I love it. There has been a consistent accessory that I have worn pretty much anywhere and everywhere in 2024. And it would be a shame if I did not put it in the list. It is something that I'm wearing right now. It's this bracelet. It has got like two layers to it. Absolutely love how subtle it is, but also kind of could change your entire, look. I had another bracelet that I was wearing up until March, April, I guess. Well, that was torn to pieces by my brother, who I guess he got scared. I remember it's a funny story. We were having a house party, one of those horror story nights, and there was this moment when we all got a little scared with the story, and my brother, who was sitting right next to me, held my hand and tore it to pieces. I mean, and yes, this bracelet that my mom got for me actually from Pantaloons. Love how bracelets look in general with, watches as well. And this is something that will also be a part of me in 2025 as well. Let me also share my favorite fragrances of 2024 with you guys. First one definitely has to be the Gucci Bloom. This was gifted to me by my sister, who is a Santa in my life. I had got this in the Christmas of 2023. I kind of tend to use a lot of mists and other things also, other fragrances as well. But my mom kind of swears by this. Entire room kind of lightens up whenever you apply it. So long lasting, complete mood lifter. We are going to use it in 2025 as well. The second fragrance that I'm going to show you is also apparently a Gucci fragrance, but is not Gucci. It's Tiny Ether that I purchased from the Kolaba market back when I traveled to Mumbai in August. It is apparently the dupe fragrance for Gucci Guilty, because that's what it said over the cover, which of course is not there anymore since I've carried it everywhere and anywhere. Extremely sad that it's almost over. Probably want to go to Mumbai just solely to go to that little shop right there in Kolaba, purchase it from that man who sold it to me. I mean, thank God I bought it, but I'm so dumb that I did not think of buying 2 to 3 of these. I mean, how did I think this would last like for an entire year? I don't know, but well, my bad. I don't know if I'm going to sound stupid. I might as well, but I don't care. I have also gone, into Sephora and tried out the original Gucci Guilty. Guess what? I know people who are watching this might as well think, is she crazy? Is she really comparing a Kolaba Market Ether to Gucci Guilty? Well, I am, because I have loved this one. I don't know what he put into this, but it's so, so good. Now let's move on to some gadgets. The first favorite gadget from 2024 would be my OnePlus Nord earbuds that my college friends Shubho and Rijita, they gifted to me on my birthday, on my 25th birthday back in 2024. I don't know why it's a favorite. Do not ask me that, but I just love it. My sister has the iPhone AirPods, and I have kind of done a comparison of this and the AirPods. Honestly, I did not find much difference among the two. I remember using the wired ones up until this one. I definitely had to put this on 2024 favorites. Thank you guys for gifting this to me. 2025 is definitely going to see a lot more of this. Next favorite gadget from 2024 has to be my tripod stand that I'm currently using right now. So I can't really show it to you guys, but it's right here. It's the tripod stand from Digitech that I got from Amazon. Also had like 2 or 3 stands earlier because of course my content creation, but this one seems fit and this one seems exactly what I wanted, a sturdy one and a professional one. This can fit in a phone, a camera, anything. Plan on shooting so much more in this, and hopefully you watch them and like them too. Next 2024 favorite is absolutely a game changer for my travel, especially these silicone pads or tapes that I have used, especially in my travel to Goa. I carried a lot of dresses and tops. Either they were sleeveless or they were off shoulder, which I would have some difficulty in wearing if I was wearing my normal bra or my normal innerwears. And I did not want it to look awkward, or I did not want myself to feel uncomfortable. Definitely do look forward to using more of this. A lot of times you do wear an outfit and then you don't really know how to pair it up, with the innerwears. So this is something that has helped me out, especially a lot in Goa. The next product is a bag. I mean, how can I not show a bag if I'm talking about my 2024 favorites? Gotta be this saddle bag from the brand Savannah. It has been gifted by a very close friend of mine, Shubho. It's compact, it's small, but I really don't care because it kind of goes with any outfit. Absolutely love the saddle shape of it. Gives you very Dior vibe. It is small, but it kind of fits in everything that I require. My keys, cards, money, lipsticks, or any other, makeup item that I might be carrying. I mean, this has got to be my favorites from 2024 and gonna carry it forward in 2025 as well. I'm really excited to show the next product. It is this Gryffindor pouch that I got from Miniso, from their Miniso into Harry Potter collection. Look at the space inside, you guys. I mean, it can carry every makeup item or skincare item as well. I recently did a weekend getaway with my friends. I absolutely amazing for travel. It also comes with another chain right at the back, so can carry your jewelries or anything in here as well, your scrunchies or whatever. And yes, I mean, most importantly, it has Gryffindor written on it. I have no idea why this tag is still there, but yes, I am in love with this one. I am definitely going to be carrying this in every travel henceforth. 2025 is going to see a lot more of this. So yes, very, very excited about it and definitely a favorite. The 24th and the last product of this entire 2024 favorites has got to be a food item because I am nothing without food. And anybody who knows me knows I am a big, big time foodie. And this is something that I came across in 2024 itself from reels, shorts. And one fine day, I was like, I have watched about like a millions of these reels. I have to get my hands on this and see how it tastes. Is the Buldak Carbonara hot chicken flavor ramen Korean noodles. Is a snacking. I wouldn't call it a snacking item because I generally take it for my dinner meals. I also have a way of cooking this one. Not just me. I guess a lot of people have discovered this in 2024, and I did try out the yellow one. I don't remember what it's called, but it was extremely spicy. That was the first one that I tried out, and I swore that I would not taste that anymore. But then I again came across reels and saw that people were loving this one, the pink one. So I thought, okay, why not try the carbonara one because it's supposed to be cheesy, right? Pretty sure I'm gonna have it for dinner today as well. So yes, I love it. And since we're talking about 2024 favorites, I definitely have to mention these two intangible things that were my favorites from 2024. They're basically a Netflix series and a song that I would like to recommend to you guys if you have not watched or heard it yet. I'm somebody who watches different kinds of series. The series that kind of did leave a mark on me in 2024 was the series called One Day. I am not somebody who's a big fan of love stories in general or, romantic series or movies, but this is definitely not your everyday regular love story. The actors, they were bang on. The story was executed so beautifully. For those who don't know, there was also a movie made prior to this on the same story, same book, and it had Anne Hathaway in it. A lot of people who have watched it might relate to this, and the ones who have not watched it, I think it's a good watch. If you're somebody like me who's skeptic about like love stories in general, don't be, because this is something that is more than a love story, something that tells you so much about life, emotions, and human nature and everything that comes in between. So there could be hundreds of songs that I could recommend, or that I would want to talk about right now in this video. But well, I'm going to keep it short, and I'm going to talk about one song, particular song that my cousin actually introduced me to. It's called Understand by Keshi. My Spotify Wrapped was like a mixture of everything and anything. I've recommended to everybody I know, and thank you to my cousin Suhani, who introduced me to it. I think I tune into this one pretty much every day at least once. So that's pretty much it from the 24 favorites from 2024 that I'll be taking on to 2025 as well. I had a lot of fun making this video for you guys, because it also kind of gave me a complete flashback of 2024 in general. Hope good things happen to you and your family. You know, you are in good health and you get everything that you plan for, and you're able to execute everything that you want to achieve in 2025. Also, please do not forget to share your favorites from 2024 or any recommendations that you have for me in the comments down below. And if you've made your way up until here, then please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notifications every time I post something new. I also happen to post a lot of content on Instagram, and I go by the handle Pranjali Bose. For the ones who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And for the ones who have stumbled upon this video, and if you like it, then please do not forget to subscribe. I am going to be back with more exciting videos on travel, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and everything under the sun. And till we meet again, you guys take care. Bye bye.